Welcome to the deep dive. We're super thrilled you are joining us today to unpack all of this.
Survey considerations.
EBCDIC files with the correct EBCDIC header converted to UTM.
Right.
When I looked into what an EBCDIC header is, I honestly thought I was reading a joke. We were talking about technology from the punch card era.
Yeah, it's pretty unbelievable. The Society of Exploration Geophysicists created the EBCDIC format, spelled SEGY, in the 1970s.
The 1970s.
Yes, and at the time, it revolutionized the industry by providing a standardized way to store seismic and acoustic reflection data on magnetic tape.
Okay, magnetic tape.
But because it was born in the era of IBM mainframes, the textual header of the file, which is the 3,200 bytes that tell the computer what the file actually contains, uses extended binary-coded decimal interchange code, or EBCDIC.
Which is insane because EBCDIC lost the computing format war to ASCII decades ago. Almost no modern computer natively reads EBCDIC today.
Very true.
So why on earth is an energy giant in the 2020s demanding contractors map the deep ocean using high-tech drones only to format the data for a 1970s magnetic tape standard? Why haven't they updated to a modern JSON or XML metadata structure?
It all comes down to the sheer terrifying volume of legacy data.
How much data are we talking about?
Petabytes of historical seismic data sitting in their archives, all formatted in SEGY.
Petabytes, wow.
And the major software suites used by geophysicists to interpret seismic layers and hunt for oil reservoirs were all built around this format.
So if they tried to switch,
If the industry were to switch to a modern data structure today, the cost of migrating 50 years of historical reservoir data would be in the billions of dollars.
not to mention the massive risk of data corruption during the migration.
Exactly. So instead of updating the core corporate architecture, the industry forces the burden onto the edge devices.
Software developers to write custom parsers.
Yes, parsers that take cutting-edge AUV acoustic returns and package them into an ancient 8-bit punch card format just so the client's legacy software doesn't crash upon opening the file.
It is the ultimate technological paradox. It's like demanding SpaceX launch a rocket, but requiring the telemetry data to be delivered by fax machine.
That is exactly what it's like.